Countries cannot simply print more currency to enrich themselves, because doing so would lead to significant economic problems, primarily inflation. Here's a detailed explanation. So, what is inflation? Inflation occurs when the prices of goods and services rise, reducing the purchasing power of money. If a country prints more money without a corresponding increase in goods and services, it creates more currency chasing the same amount of products, leading to higher prices. Let's look at some hyperinflation examples. First, Weimar Germany in the 1920s. After World War I, Germany printed massive amounts of money to pay off war debts, leading to hyperinflation. Prices skyrocketed, and people needed wheelbarrows of money to buy basic items. Another example is Zimbabwe in the 2000s. Zimbabwe experienced hyperinflation by printing money to cover a huge budget deficit, leading to prices doubling every day at its peak. Now let's talk about the loss of currency value. Printing excessive amounts of money devalues the currency. As the money supply increases, each unit of currency becomes less valuable. This can lead to a loss of confidence in the currency both domestically and internationally. When it comes to exchange rates, when a country prints more money, it can lead to a decrease in the value of the currency compared to others. This makes imports more expensive and can exacerbate trade deficits. Economic instability can manifest in various ways when a country prints excessive amounts of money. Price distortion. One major issue is price distortion. Excessive money printing can distort prices in the economy, making it difficult for businesses to make informed decisions about investment and production. This can lead to a misallocation of resources and inefficiency. Savings erosion. Additionally, inflation erodes the value of savings. People find that their money buys less and less over time, which can reduce the incentive to save and lead to lower levels of investment in the economy. The impact on interest rates is another critical factor to consider. Rising interest rates. To combat inflation, central banks may raise interest rates, making borrowing more expensive. This can slow economic growth and increase the cost of servicing existing debt. Debt burden. Countries with large amounts of debt may find that printing more money leads to higher interest rates on their debt, increasing the burden of debt repayment. Trust and credibility are fundamental to a stable economy. Loss of credibility. A country that resorts to printing money loses credibility with investors and the international community. This can lead to capital flight, where investors move their money out of the country, further destabilizing the economy. Trust in government and institutions. Trust in government and financial institutions can erode if people believe that the government is mismanaging the economy by printing money recklessly. This can lead to social unrest and political instability. Printing more currency to enrich a country is a short-term solution that leads to long-term economic problems. The primary issue is inflation, which erodes the purchasing power of money, devalues the currency, and creates economic instability. Historical examples, such as Weimar Germany and Zimbabwe, illustrate the severe consequences of excessive money printing. Therefore, countries must manage their money supply carefully to maintain economic stability and trust.